And welcome back to my channel, Chef Ever Cooking, and I'm gonna show you a delicious fresh tomato and mozzarella salad. Okay, so what you'll need is I have fresh basil, I have fresh mozzarella, I have cherry tomatoes, I have 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, I have 4 ounces of olive oil, I have a red onion, I have also 2 tablespoons of chopped up garlic, and also salt and pepper to taste. Okay, first what you'll need to do is take a pan, add your garlic and your olive oil. So we're going to make a garlic infused olive oil. So it's going to add additional flavor to our mozzarella salad. So you want to basically stir it in and then add it to and put it medium flame on, and basically once the oil gets nice and warm and we're starting to get a little bit of a golden color out of our garlic, that's when we're going to take it off the flame and let it cool down. Okay, we have our olive oil heating up with our garlic. So I just want to give a little stir to it. So by doing this, we're infusing the essence and also the flavor of our garlic into our olive oil. So once we get to here, we're going to take off our heat. And when it's around this point, as you can see how the garlic is bubbling up like so, that we're not going to overcook it and kill it. But with that carryover cooking, it's going to basically golden our garlic to a golden color. And this is how we have additional flavor to our mozzarella salad. Okay, we're letting it cool down. Okay, while we're waiting on our garlic infused oil to cool down, we're going to cut up our onion. So we're just going to give a medium dice, like so. Add it to our bowl. I'm just going to use half the onion, otherwise we don't want our salad to get too oniony. So add to our main bowl. And next, we're going to go and pull our basil leaves off, because you don't want to be chewing on the stem, like so. And then we're going to chiffonade. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to take our leaves and roll them, like so. And then we're going to give a quick little slice to it. And that's basically how we have our chiffonade of basil. So we're just going to add it over here for now. And then next, we have our cherry tomatoes. So, instead of just cooking or cutting our tomatoes one by one, basically like so, what you can do is take a plate. Now, I like to take the plate and flip it upside down, like so. Now, you take a bread knife and then you cut at a jigsaw motion, and it will cut all your tomatoes. So, there we go. I'll just add it to our pan. Now what I've done before was not even use the plate. So in the restaurant, what I like to do is actually push down with my hand, but I wouldn't recommend it if you haven't done this, and just basically cut back and forth So the safer version is using the plate. So, and then when you have a few stragglers here, you just basically cut them in half. And there you go. All the tomatoes are cut in half. So next, we're going to cut into our first mozzarella. Now what you want to do is just basically push down to cut with our knife. So you want them basically like a ½ inch in between. So I want them to be basically the same size as our cherry tomatoes. So that's the size I'm looking for. So you can just take two on top of each other, cut down. There you go. Like so. It's actually, it's a pretty easy salad to make. And the longer it marinates in itself, the better it will taste. So if I'm going to serve this, I would like to serve it the next day. So if you do it like the night before, oh man, that flavor is gonna really incorporate everything together. It's going to be so nice. Okay, so now let's feel a little warm. I'm going to let this olive oil to cool off a little bit. So I'm going to switch it into a bowl. Like so. I'm going to let it cool down for at least 5 more minutes. And it'll be nice once it's at room temperature. Then we can add or mix our balsamic vinegar and add our basil. We could add to our mozzarella salad. Okay, it's been a couple of minutes. So our garlic oil has cooled down. So I'm going to add the balsamic vinegar. Gonna add some black pepper. Also a little bit of salt. I'm going to give it a mix. Like so. Now we're going to add all this to our mozzarella salad. So, looks like I'm gonna need a bigger bowl. There we go, that's better. Now, like I said, you want to let this marinate for at least the day before you want to serve it. But right now would be a great time to taste. So, okay, it needs a little bit more black pepper. And also salt. So you always want to taste and adjust until it's just right. Okay, let's try it again. Oh yeah, that's right there. And here we have it. We have our beautiful fresh mozzarella salad. Let's dig in. That's really good.
And if you'd like to see more recipes like these, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and now it's your turn. Thank you.